Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today video title is guys name password lock guys. How can we change our Samsung phone guys? You want to change guys your name password lock in your Samsung phone, so guys you can change it. So guys, how can we guys change our name password lock in our Samsung phone guys? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you new my channel, so first of all guys subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting to change guys our name password lock. So as you can see guys, this type of setting, so what will you have to do guys, scroll it your phone and guys you can see guys your lock screen. Guys tap here guys, click on screen lock type and guys enter your name password lock. And guys next, then guys you can see guys your password, so guys tap here again and guys new password guys. I will take my friend name or friend name Ravi. So first of all guys, I will check spelling again guys, same spelling guys, I will write it. Then guys okay and guys come back. So as you can see guys, name password has changed or not. So friends, you can see guys Ravi spelling, check, done. So I hope friends you have understood guys how to change the name password lock in our Samsung phone device. So guys that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.